When working with conventional foundation formwork, you'll most likely need hand tools, power tools, fasteners, bracing, tie bars, and a moderate amount of carpentry experience. With Sacrificial Formwork, you'll only need a few hand tools and a length or two of timber. Don't believe me? Stick around and find out. G'day, my name's Josh, and on this episode of Concrete Compass, I want to show you just how easy it is to work with Sacrificial Formwork like our very own form and fill. Now, all the tools you'll need are bolt cutters, a utility knife, end nips and tie wire, tape measure and marker, a straight edge or a length of timber at least 2.4 metres long, bar chairs or spacers, and of course your formwork. To cut, form and fill, measure and mark the location of the cut. Using the bolt cutters, snip the wires along the length of the cut, and then using your knife, cut the plastic between the wires, and well, that's it, you're done. Now, for folding. In this example, let's assume our capping beam is 600mm high. We want to make a 90-degree corner with a fold at the bottom of the trench. First, we'll mark the location of the vertical corner as well as the bottom fold. Next, we'll cut the bottom 300mm of formwork for the corner transition. And now we can proceed to folding. Using the bolt cutters, snip every second wire along the length of the fold. To give us a nice tight corner, lay a length of timber along the length of the fold. Standing on the timber, bend the formwork as desired along the fold. Now, we can repeat the same procedure for our vertical fold, and we're done. Before we fix the formwork to the reinforcing, we may want to join multiple sheets together. To do this, simply overlap the formwork by at least 150 to 200mm. At the point of the overlap, tie the longitudinal bars with tie wire by poking the wire through the plastic, around the bar, and back again. Longitudinal bars should be tied at a minimum of 300mm increments. As far as installation goes, this really depends on the specific conditions on site, but essentially, you need to tie the form and fill to the reinforcing and create a desired concrete cover by using bar chairs or spacers. If not sure what spacers will work, check out our other video on different options for spacing Sacrificial Formwork. Once your formwork is in place, you're ready to backfill. Well, I trust this was informative. Make sure you're following or subscribed wherever you're watching so you don't miss out on our next episode. And if you've got any further questions on Sacrificial Formwork or anything else concrete related, get in touch with one of our experts today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.